did not.
That scared me. Oh, my heart.
There we go. Stick the little thing in the gap.
This?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Slightly. Mm-hmm.
So right now we're trying to take this, the phone, like the screen, like the screen out of the red. Please don't mess up my phone.
Well, you gotta have a hair dryer to kind of loosen up the glue, but we don't have a hair dryer.
Why hair dryer when you have a
It loosens up the glue. Oops, sorry.
Dang. Please, 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 don't mess up my phone.
There we go. There we go. See, it's coming up part like that. All right, grab the thing.
Oh. Oh, it's coming.
Okay.
Ooh, so close. Be careful not to mess up the phone. Because it says to be careful and not damage.
It turned it on.
It's small.
Let's wait till it turns on and then turn it back off.
We better do this.
Yeah. Oh, here it is. All right. Where's it connected? Right here.
I'm
All right.
freaking out.
There it is.
Oh my god.
So,
You see this? Wait, show the camera. Show the camera.
To slowly go deeper around the phone to separate the adhesive. Open the display to about a 90-degree angle. Unscrew these screws on the metal plate with the screwdriver. Then, remove the metal.
all right. So now,
In the beginning of the video, it says to be careful to not damage the phone. So, no. Oh, no, check.
I feel like you could do this pretty good.
Yeah.
So you're gonna put this in a separate thing in this one. Got it? Look, there's a little magnet thing. Oh, it's already magnetic.
Yeah.
See? All right, go ahead. Now hold this. Wait. Go over here. Right. Hold with your right hand. Unscrew with your left.